Hello my friends, do you want to see what your guitar looks like up close? Like 20 times larger than it is right now? Well, I am here to show you. My wife got me this really cool lens for my iPhone, so I want to zoom in here and we're going to take a look at what the guitar looks like close up. You can see the wood grain there, it's pretty cool. I've been playing this guitar for about 15 years. And you can see what the strings have done to the frets. Just pretty crazy. A little gross too. I'm going to try not to move around too much. I don't want to get you guys sick. Anyways, I thought it was super cool. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.